Welcome to Agritech Marvels, the hub of modern agriculture. Advanced machinery is continuously evolving to assist humans in achieving maximum efficiency in every aspect of agriculture, from planting to harvesting. Thanks to technology and passion, every seed undergoes a transformation, ultimately contributing to the creation of a highly productive orchard. Come join us on this thrilling journey as we explore the expansive wheat fields of North Idaho, where state-of-the-art equipment is revolutionizing the farming experience. The Gleer R72 revolutionizing wheat harvesting. In the expansive wheat fields of North Idaho, the Gleer R72 takes center stage, helping farmers harvest high-quality wheat seeds with unparalleled efficiency. This robust machine boasts a powerful AGCO Power 6.6L diesel engine, packing 275 horsepower. Coupled with an intelligent grain sorting system and an impressive 8M long harvesting mechanism, the Gleer R72 efficiently tackles large fields, promising a bountiful harvest in the golden wheat fields. John Deere 7R tractor efficiency in flower fields. Moving to a picturesque Chilean farm, the John Deere 7R tractor demonstrates remarkable efficiency in tending to colorful flowers. Equipped with AutoTrack technology for automated steering control and 2 dam and sprayer systems, the John Deere 7R ensures increased productivity and agricultural protection. With a large tank capacity of 900 L, a spray system extending up to 42 m, and adjustable settings, this tractor is a reliable companion for flower fields, making the entire process highly efficient. High-capacity peanut harvest with John Deere tractors. As we dive into the exciting peanut harvest season of 2023, two-row peanut fields promise a bountiful harvest. High-capacity John Deere tractors, combined with a smart peanut harvesting system, divide the areas into 3 interconnected harvesting systems. Each row can efficiently harvest 2 side-by-side rows of peanuts, powered by machines that ensure a quick harvest, significantly reducing farmers' harvest time. Canola harvest with speed and efficiency. In the vast fields of canola, 2 John Deere S690 machines showcase their speed and efficiency. With an engine capacity of 543 horsepower and equipped with Hydroflex and Flex Draper cutting systems, these machines effortlessly load nutrient-rich rapeseed into a 15,000 L tank. Modern technology and high-yield harvesting systems contribute to reducing harvesting time and ensuring product quality. Innovative irrigation in large fields. Is there a more effective way to irrigate large fields? Using a giant sprinkler known as a wheel, this irrigation system efficiently moves across vast corn fields, transporting water evenly to drought-prone areas. Share your thoughts on whether there's a more efficient method for irrigating large fields in the comments below. Ropa Tiger 6 and Aiger V83 perfecting sugar beet harvest. During the active sugar beet harvest season, the Ropa Tiger 6 and Aiger V83 Uber Lotta wagon proved to be perfect harvesting devices. The Ropa Tiger 6 equipped with a powerful 768 horsepower engine and a 35,000 L tank, efficiently harvests sugar beets. The Aiger V83 vehicles, with a capacity of up to 42,000 L, transport the harvested products to the warehouse, ensuring an efficient harvesting process and a bountiful harvest. Lin Titan 18 and Fent 936 transforming arid soil. In the process of preparing the land, the Lin Titan 18 plow, equipped with 1,235 centimeters long deep plow blades, operates alongside the Fent 936. With a powerful 360 horsepower engine, the Fent 936 provides strong traction, turning arid soil into fertile, nutritious soil ideal for plant growth. The combination of these machines completes the task efficiently, showcasing both outstanding working performance and absolute power. Terragator TG 3244, the Mud Monster. The Terragator TG 3244, known as the Mud Monster in the field, is a solidly designed machine with wide wheels, providing confidence in challenging terrains. With a 458 horsepower diesel engine and a large fertilizer tank capacity of up to 57 cubic meters, it ensures high efficiency in operation. This spray boom slurry injection machine ensures precise and uniform distribution of slurry, improving soil quality and enhancing agricultural productivity. Cool Royer Machine Efficient Radish Harvest. The Cool Royer machine proves to be a solid companion for farmers, bringing high efficiency and significantly reducing harvest time during the radish harvest season. Designed with a simple approach, it utilizes a rugged John Deere tractor for power and an easy-to-install harvesting system. The precision of the Cool Royer machine improves product quality and provides significant economic benefits to farmers. Westland Automatic Garlic Harvester Precision and Control. Equipped with a completely new control system, the Westland Automatic Garlic Harvester works seamlessly with the efficient Fent 720 tractor. Coordinating each row of garlic, it undergoes a process of root removal and leaf cutting, delivering high harvest quality, minimizing waste, and increasing productivity and profit for farmers. Van hook machine, smart design for crop protection. The van hook machine, designed with a separate depth control system for each wheel, ensures efficient weed control and desired soil surface structure. With foldable side parts for convenience during transportation, it combines efficient technology and smart design, making it a great choice for farmers seeking comfort and crop protection.